Hi guys, so today we're going to be doing a vlog there of breakfast in the woods. It's been about 4 years since myself and Ian have been here. It's been all overgrown, as you can see. So we're going to clear back some of this stuff. We're going to build a little fire area where we can cook the breakfast. So what have we got today for breakfast? Got Courtaparteen black and white pudding. Courtaparteen sausages, cocktail sausages. Some cheese rolls. They'll go nice with sausages. Smoky barbecue. Standard military cooking kit here. A little bit of sunflower oil there to fry the sausages. And because I like spicy sausages, chili flakes. Ian, have you ever sawed a piece of wood before?
Yeah, when I was in school.
How many years ago was that? Long time ago.
A long time ago.
We gathered a few rocks together where we're going to have the campfire and cook the sausages. Okay, so today we brought a fire log just to help us get started because it's very damp out here now today. And we've got a nice little pile of wood here. So hopefully breakfast shouldn't be too long. We're going to get the fire started now. So my breakfast is ready here. Lovely sausages cooked over a fire and cheese bread. I'm really going to enjoy eating this. So now we're just going to have a walk around and explore this area. The area is known as Courtaparteen, and there's a very old chapel here which dates back to the 6th century and a graveyard. The scenery here is just spectacular, and you can see the wild Atlantic Ocean from here. There's no houses around, just a beautiful coastline, and all you can hear is the seagulls. Yeah, what a view from here. Beautiful place. Where do you want to go next, Ian?
Oh, Jesus. Down the beach?
How we get down there, man? We're on top of a cliff.
Where did we get down there last
Show me.
I can't remember.
Is the rope still there?
Uh-huh.
Is the rope still there?
God, we're not going down that rope again, are we?
Be interested to see if it's still there. The last time we came here, folks, is about 4 years ago. It's down here, isn't it?
There's no... That's more for getting up than getting down.
Oh, there's no way I'm going down there.
We can do it coming up. Can we go through that fence there to get down?
That thing, what's it tied on to? So we're just exploring some of this place here. Courtaparteen. There used to be an old village here before the famine times, and when the famine came, the whole village moved out. And these are some of the remains of the buildings here. See, there's trees growing in here. To think that people used to live here at one time. It's unbelievable. Amazing how time goes past and nature comes back and reclaims. Another building here. Looks like someone was camping here already. We're just going to carry on walking there. There's a kind of a path here going along, going down towards the sea. There's two big tugboats there. They seem to be in sheltering. Cracking day. Here we are. We found the coastline. Beautiful place. So we're here at the bottom of the cliff and there's a rope going all the way up. And Ian is going to be the guinea pig and he's going to go up first. And we're going to see if this rope is okay. So take your time, Ian. Are you sure you want to go up this?
I'm just worried about my camera falling.
You want me to hold your camera?
A bit late for that. That be secure though.
Oh man, he's crazy. It's going to be my turn next. Are you up? Well done. It's my turn now.
Wow. Right, so my friend's coming up. You alright, Simon?
Stuck.
You'll be fine. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, I got it. That wasn't so bad. There you go.
Cheers, buddy.
Oh, well, that was interesting. So excited to get back to the car now. Whew. Tired after that.